Hi guys, my name is Akshay and I am a manifestation coach. All my contact info is in the description. The renowned manifestation guru Neville Goddard famously said these words, in his lecture, How to Think Fourth Dimensionally. So begin now to mentally see and feel yourself as that which you want to be, and feast upon that sensation morning, noon and night. I have scoured the Bible for a time interval that is longer than 3 days, and I have not found it. If I would now assume I am that what I want to be, and if I am faithful to it and walk as though I were, the very longest stretch given for its realization is 3 days. So in this video, we are going to talk about how to realize your desire, be it a specific person, new love, money, health, wealth, in 3 days. How is it possible? Logically, it sounds so insane. It's almost as if, it sounds delusional. And as if, somebody was trying to mislead people into thinking that it's possible in 3 days. But I'm going to explain how it's possible with the help of a couple of success stories. So, recently, a person came to me to learn from me, and they narrated their experience with manifestation, and I'm now going to narrate it to you. So this person's mom, because of a change in her financial situation, suddenly couldn't afford housing because they lived in a very expensive city of the world. And so the mom was very dejected because she had to leave the city where she lived in for more than 3 decades, 30 plus years, and move to another place, and live with her boyfriend, which was okay, but she really missed being in her own city, having her own at least rented place in the city, and they couldn't afford it. So the girl, the daughter, she's the protagonist of our story. She was introduced to a manifestation practice by her friend, and it involved, Buddhist chantings, Nam-myoho Renge-kyo, which very roughly translates to I salute the mystic law of the lotus, the law of cause and effect. Very rough translation. So Nam-myoho Renge-kyo, and she thought, I can't afford the house. Logically, it is going to take me possibly decades to save up money to buy a house, and even renting is so out of my reach right now. So let me just chant this law and see what happens. And so every day she used to chant it. And what happened was, after a few weeks, her uncle called her. And this uncle usually didn't call her often. So it was quite unusual for him to call her up on his own. And he asked her what's up, and she narrated her problem, her predicament to him, without any expectation, obviously, just, sharing her problem with her dear uncle. And so the uncle was like, let me step in and help you. It turns out that the uncle had bought some stocks a few years ago, and he'd held on to them. And that uncle, who she thought was just a normal man with a very normal financial status, had become a multi-millionaire. A multi-millionaire. And he said, let me help your mom, rent a place. And you know what, after that, he suddenly, said, let me just buy a place. Let me just buy a place. And he deposited $650,000 into her checking account, and she he suggested that the place be bought in the daughter's name, okay, so that they don't have to spend money later on to transfer the property to the daughter, and the mom can live there. And it's a big place, and it's beautiful, and it's in a very good part of town. I'm going to share a picture of it somewhere, okay, and I have permission from this person to share this picture with you, and it's absolutely gorgeous, and I have many photos of it, but I'm only possibly going to share one or two to protect this person's privacy, okay. And so let's talk about this manifestation a little bit, okay. There was no possible way for the girl to logically think of a solution to her problem, because everything was just out of her reach. Logically, she couldn't do it, okay. But she put her faith in a Buddhist chanting, which I later thought of is so ironic in many ways, because Buddhism is not about materialism, right? It's all about frugality and spirituality and austerity in many ways. Buddhist monks, they don't live a very lavish lifestyle, okay. But because she attached the meaning to these words, that this is going to help me to get what I want, she manifested a $650,000 home, like poof, out of the blue. Uncle bought it for her, okay. I think this is an amazing manifestation, and what it teaches us is that, logically you might think that, oh, so I can save $1,000 every month, okay, and so logically, if I want to buy a house that cost $100,000, okay, a very small, modest property, I need to save for 100 months, okay. But manifestation is magical, okay. It's magical and it's powerful. I don't want you to limit yourself, okay, based on the calculations that you're doing in your head logically, because if you knew how to get your manifestation, okay, logically, you would have already taken it. So sometimes you have to put your faith in your imagination, and purely imagination, and use just imagination to create reality, okay. I'm going to narrate another quick incident. This is documented history. The year was 1673. There was a commander called Kondaji Farzand, okay. This was in India in 1673, and he was tasked with taking over a fort, okay, which the enemy had captured. So he was tasked with recapturing it, and the fort was called Panhala. And Kondaji knew that there were roughly 2,000 to 2,500 people on the fort, okay, couple thousand soldiers, okay, and he recaptured it with just 60 men. 60. And when I actually read about it, I was absolutely amazed, because it's so incredible how, when you have to defeat 2,000 men, you think, I need 3,000 men, but he knew that in a head-to-head battle, it was going to be very difficult to capture the fort, and there were going to be many casualties, because the enemy had the advantage, okay. So he did it with 60 men. They attacked at a very odd, unexpected time, and they created chaos everywhere. They created chaos within the enemy camp, okay, and nobody knew what was happening, and they went and killed the leader, okay. And then the enemy soldiers lost their morale. They were discouraged, and that is how, amazingly, with 60 men he recaptured a fort, and this is documented history. So what this teaches us is that your manifestation can unfold, your desire can be manifested in not the only way, in not only the most way that it seems obvious to you. Okay, it can be manifested in multiple ways if you use your imagination to create reality. Okay, and not rely so much on the constraints, the limitations of existing problems and past circumstances. Okay, so why did I make this video? It's because I see many people, when they want to manifest a specific person or new love or any desire, what they do is they're like, I've been manifesting for 5 years, I've been manifesting for 3 years, I've been in no contact for one year, and they go on repeating that story to themselves for 5 years, 3 years. So within them, they feel lack. And manifestation, the principle is absolutely clear, explicitly, crystal clear, that what you feel within you will manifest in your external reality. So for 5 years, this person has been clinging to the notion that I don't have my person. I've been manifesting this person for 5 years, but it's not happening. They are allowing the external reality, external circumstances to program imagination of, instead of using imagination to create external reality. They've been doing inverse manifestation. So, what Neville meant, in my opinion, is that some manifestations, for example, the birth of a child is going to take 9 months. So it would be really disingenuous on my behalf, okay, on my part, to say that, your baby will be born day after tomorrow. Some manifestations will unfold, naturally. For example, a baby will be born in 38 weeks and so on, right? So what I need you to understand is that it takes only 3 days for you to become the person who is in perfect alignment with this manifestation. In fact, it takes less than 3 days to manifest this. For you to become the person who gets the manifestation can take just 30 minutes or 3 hours. For example, you might not become a millionaire in exactly 3 days, but you might get a contract, okay, that will allow you to become a millionaire in 6 months in 3 days. Okay, you might get some very significant sign. Okay, you might meet a person who can make you a millionaire, who has the resources and the social circle to enable you to become a millionaire in 3 days. You might not marry your SP on the 3rd day or on the 4th day in 3 days, but in 3 days they might come back and the situation can be totally reversed. They might come back and say, I've been, a little bit irresponsible in our relationship and I've not been communicating with you properly, but I really want to make this work. So I want you to know that I love you. Okay, and despite all the problems, that have happened before, I really believe in us and I really want to make this work. This can happen. Okay, most importantly though, for you to get your manifestation, you need to move from lack to fulfillment. That shift, if it happens, then your manifestation is guaranteed. It's the law and the promise. If you assume and believe it to be true, then it has to externalize in your reality. That is not even some mystical principle. It's just common sense. What you are experiencing within you will be reflected back to you in your external reality. So 3 days, I want you to dare to assume that you can get it in 3 days, okay, by telling yourself that you already got it. And most importantly, for some manifestations, that might take longer, okay. For example, you've been wanting to get pregnant for a while, okay, and so the baby might not be born in 3 days, but you might receive some good news, that you can now, you're not pregnant, or you can have a baby, maybe some health issue got resolved, a test result, came out, shows a favorable outcome. So I want you to be almost, as Neville said it, brazenly impudent in your assumptions, and not think that it's going to take me 5 years or 15 or 50 years or long time, and I have to keep waiting, in this excruciating suspense. Will I get it? Will I not get it? Stop torturing yourself, because the shift in you that guarantees the manifestation can happen not in 3 days, but in 30 minutes or even 3 minutes. Okay. And I'm one of the few people, I think, in this community who, in my coaching sessions, actually puts people in the state of the wish fulfilled. Actually, I personally help you to land in that state and teach you how to sustain it. So if you have something that you would like to be resolved, if you'd like my help to resolve, okay, then all my contact info is in the description. If you like the video, please hit like, share, subscribe, comment, hit the notification bell, unleash the power within you, and remember that if I said it, I already did it. Thank you.